In this video, I will be showing you how I upload a PDF file to ChatGPT to help me analyze long documents or summarize complex information. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, ready to begin a new session. To get my document into the chat, I'll begin by moving my cursor down to the text input bar at the bottom and clicking on the small plus icon. From the menu that appears, I'll select the option to add photos and files directly from my device. This action opens up my computer's File Explorer, where I'll navigate straight to my Downloads folder to find the specific document I need. I'll select the PDF file I want to use for this session and then click Open to attach it. Now that the file is clearly visible and attached to the input field, I can add a specific prompt, like asking for a summary or a list of key takeaways, and then hit Enter to begin my session. This is an incredibly powerful way for me to interact with large amounts of text without having to copy and paste every single page manually. It saves me a huge amount of time when I'm researching or trying to understand a new topic quickly. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials just like this one.